As humanity, we deal with a lot of challenges in our group behavior. For example, we have to respond as a collective to issues of climate change, biodiversity. We have problems with, for example, a virus. We need to change our energy system, and that requires the collaboration of large groups of people. And we know a lot about individual behavior, but groups is another thing. It's much more difficult to experiment with large groups of people and the dynamics that take place there. We are not ants. We cannot just consider ourselves as a group of ants and just experiment with it. We have a big, complicated society. And there is the value of social simulation, because we can now, using advanced technology, simulate artificial societies. And the trick of it all is to implement more realistic psychological theory in these artificial people. And that allows us to conduct more realistic experiments with group behavior of our own species. Well, you should always be cautious about models. I mean, a model is a model, but we make some enormous progress in implementing psychological theory in these artificial people. Don't forget, in the past, usually economic maximization ideas were used for these kinds of artificial people. But now we are capable of, for example, equipping these artificial people with norms and different conflicting needs. So we really make progress in building models that are far more realistic from a behavioral, psychological point of view.